History of the Chicago Powerline. We have not been able to get an exact answer as to who came up with the idea or when it was first put into use, but we are pretty sure it was started right here by Montrose fishermen sometime in the 1950s. It was originally used as a perch fishing device. The first device was called a trolley line. For this device, you would throw out a large anchor, which some called a hook, that attached to a trolley pole. Then you would attach your trolley, thing with wheels, with your leader line to the anchor line. This allowed the hooks to be pulled in and out when you caught a fish. This is how it looks in the water when set up. Sometime in the 1960s, the anchor and trolley were replaced with a rubber band and smaller weight. Some people even used a railroad spike, which was then thrown by hand. This was more economical. This is when the name changed from trolley line to power line. This is how it looks in the water when set up. With the introduction of salmon into the lake in the mid-60s, power lining evolved again. Sometime in the late 70s, early 80s, somebody made a launching device out of a CO2 fire extinguisher, which allowed you to launch the weight farther into the lake, which lets the fishermen use a longer line and more hooks. This is how it looks in the water when set up. So whether you perch or salmon fish with a power line, it is a part of our Chicago, Lake Michigan, Montrose Harbor fisherman history. And who knows, with technology, the future of power lining just may be a drone away.